Okay, how have you been?
Good. It's been a good weekend.
Yeah. What did you get up to?
It was Pride. So obviously I was working the accreditation and then I went out afterwards, but I stayed out
Till what time
late,
again?
6:30.
6:30 in the morning. What time did you go out?
Well, I was working from 11 till 8 and then 8 till 6:30.
So 8 till 6:30 basically, yeah?
Yeah. We had Shaka Khan. She was
Shaka-
the Shaka
okay.
Khan.
Oh. Head down. There we go. How does that feel?
Good.
Nice. Wait, nice, relax, go. Wait, relax, relax. Relax your shoulder. Go. Right down, go.
Yeah.
Shoulders. One more. Nice.
There we go. Oh no, George wants to go on that walk. Oh, George. Wow. George.
And out. And again. And one more. And out. Drop it down. There. And breathe out. Perfect. Perfect. Have a seat up for me. And out. Relax. Relax, relax here. Perfect. Okay, let's get you face off. There. Perfect. On your back for me, please. There. Get this side. Come on your right side for me. Yeah. One more. Nice. And breathe out. There you go. And out. One more. There.
I've done a lot of editing on Sunday.
I love editing, yeah?
Yeah.
One more. There we go. Shrug your shoulders up and down. There we go.
Yeah.
Boom,
Boom, boom, boom, boom, boom.
let's go.
Bye, y'all.